Perhaps the most unique feature of the Blackbelt Pro instrument is its ability to recognize unique users. Let's take a look at a few of the users recognized by this instrument. Each user must log in with their own unique password to access the system. Also, for convenience, any user can be issued a smart key that has their information stored on board. Note how the username changes from default user to Negan now that his smart key is inserted. The instrument administrator can limit access to various features and functions on the instrument uniquely for each user. For example, as you'll see, Negan has only basic access to the instrument. He is only permitted to navigate screens, execute tests, but he has no access to calibration or program or configuration edits, nor is he permitted to clear data or counters. Let's log in as an administrator Let's add a new user. First, we must log in as the administrator. And then set the instrument to edit mode. We now tap the Add User button. And this time, let's add Maggie. Now it's time to set up Maggie's credentials. First, we'll set a unique password for her. And we'll give her advanced access to the system. As Maggie will be executing calibrations on the pressure and flow measurement areas, we'll give her access to the touch screen. We'll allow her to select different programs, but we can actually prohibit her from running any tests as she hasn't been trained on doing so. Blackbelt Pro is the only instrument on the market capable of actually discriminating from who may actually execute tests on the system. Blackbelt Pro is the only instrument on the market that allows the administrator to prevent certain users from executing tests. A powerful feature. Maggie will be allowed program calibration. We will prevent her from editing any tests, from editing any instrument settings, but we will allow her access to the hardware area where she'll perform her calibrations. We'll allow her to back up and restore the instrument, but not to delete any information or data, nor reset any counters. Let's save these changes. And Maggie is now recognized by the system. Lastly, if we'd like to issue Maggie a smart key, we can place either a blank smart key or a smart key that has existing credentials we no longer need into the instrument, set the instrument to edit mode, and bind her to the key. We'll get confirmation that her information has been written to the key. Save the changes. Set the unit to run mode. Log out as an administrator. And now the instrument should recognize Maggie's key. A highly helpful feature of this instrument is the ability to take screen captures of the screen for training purposes or for documentation. Simply be sure a USB drive is inserted in. Press and hold the instrument serial number. Screen capture success indicates that a bitmap file of the screen we're viewing is now saved onto the flash drive. Undocking the flash drive is easy. Simply tap the USB icon and confirm that you wish to unmount, and the drive can be removed.